So here's a fun fact. It's actually gonna be our, look up the stats really quick. 21, 22, 23. Wow, this video is the 24th episode of season 1. So, welcome back. Now let's talk about the next project. So, let's just jump right in. This week is going to be something simple. So, I need a serving plate. So then I was like, hey, I'm gonna make a serving plate. Right now I'm just like mapping out 3 different types of serving / cutting boards. In my mind, I have it to be like a serving plate, not necessarily cutting boards, but you know, even if I cut on it, I don't really care. Wood is wood. It's meant to be used. Chilly, and I forgot, you know, I only dressed up with this and then feel a little weird. It's not my normal type of shirt. The agenda for today is the mapping out. I want to make 3 different types or styles or designs of the serving plate. This was not my idea. Can't take this credit. This was Pinterest ideas, but I really liked them and I thought I would try to do it. I love small little projects. For you, it might be like, oh, he's only making something very simple. But for me, it's very relaxing. So definitely am happy. Now I'm just gonna run them through the planer, jam to some music, obviously. After the planer, then I'm just gonna do the sanding. Honestly, it got a little chilly, so I had to put a sweater on. Guys, guess what? Do you know what time it is? It's finish time! Kind of like annoying to say because you should really know what happens after you sand. But anyways, for those people that don't know, it's finish time! I'm using cutting board oil. Colorless, odorless, tasteless. Food grade mineral oil. Enriched with vitamin E. I don't know if I need vitamin E, but anyways, bought this, gonna use it. Not much to say, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna continue eating. Yo.